Hello guys, welcome back. So in this video we are going to learn about sibling property. Okay, so the sibling property has two conditions. A node should have a sibling and it should follow a decreasing breadth first search traversal. Okay, so now here I have a tree. Okay, so let's see the conditions. Let's see the first condition. A node should have a sibling. Okay, so now what is the meaning of sibling? I'll tell you. So see here, this 3 and this 4, these two are the siblings, okay, of each other. So what is the meaning of sibling? When the two nodes are at the same hierarchical level and under the same parent, okay, then those two elements are siblings. Okay, so these 3 and 4 are at the same hierarchical level and under the same parent, so that's why these two are siblings. Same way, this 1 and 2 are at the same hierarchical level under the same parent, so these two are siblings. Also these two are siblings, these two and these two. Okay, so our first condition is a node should have a sibling and it should follow a decreasing breadth first search traversal. So now let's see what is the meaning of breadth first search traversal. So see here, you have to start from the root, okay, and follow this path marked here. Okay, so while going from left to right, you have to pass through these lines, left and right subtree lines. So you follow this path, and while going from right to left, you have to pass through the element nodes. Okay, so we have to pass through this 4 and this 3. Okay, again from left to right, pass through the lines, and from right to left, pass through the element nodes. Okay, same way, pass through the lines, then the element nodes, lines and element nodes. Okay, so this is your breadth first search traversal. Now it should be a decreasing breadth first search traversal. So what is the meaning of decreasing? When you follow this path, you should encounter the elements in the decreasing order. Okay, so first you have a 7 here, then as you follow the path, you get a 4 which is less than 7, then you get a 3 which is less than 4, then you get a 2 which is less than 3, again 2, then 1 which is less than 2, then 1 and 0 which is less than 1. So this order is in decreasing order. Okay, so this is the second condition. Okay, so the elements should be in decreasing order and you should follow this path. Okay, so now let's see what is a block and a leader. So see here, we have these 3 2s here. So these 3 2s form a block of 2. Okay, so now this is the meaning of block. So let's see what is a leader. So the first element you encounter while following this path is the leader. Okay, so when you follow this path, you see that this 2 is encountered first. Okay, so this is the leader of this block. Okay, the element which is encountered first is the leader. Okay, so now for this, see here, we have a block of 1 here. Okay, so now who is the leader? The one which is encountered first. So this one is encountered first while following this path, so this is the leader of this block. Okay, so now it is not necessary that a block should have more than one element. Okay, this also forms a block. So this is a block of 7, block of 3, block of 4 and block of 0. Okay, so this is the meaning of block and a leader. Okay, so that's it about sibling property. We'll be using this property in an encoding method which is called FGK Huffman coding. Okay, so we'll see this when you solve the problem. Okay, so I'll solve the problem of FGK Huffman coding in the next video. Okay, so thank you for watching. Keep learning.